Imagine a world where you could unlock superhuman strength, mental clarity, and unstoppable energy simply by embracing the cold. What if I told you that this isn't science fiction, but an ancient secret used by warriors, athletes, and even modern-day CEOs? Today, we're diving deep into the icy waters of resilience to uncover how tempering your body can transform your life. From boosting immunity to sharpening focus, discover the untold power of cold exposure. Stay tuned till the end because what you learn might just change everything about how you see yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing stories like this. Long ago, before heated homes and climate-controlled offices, humans lived in harmony with nature's raw elements. They braved freezing rivers, walked barefoot on frosty grounds, and survived harsh winters without the comforts we take for granted today. These early ancestors didn't have a choice. They had to adapt or perish. But over time, something fascinating happened. Their bodies grew stronger, their minds sharper, and their immune systems became unyielding fortresses. Fast forward to today, when most people avoid discomfort at all costs, yet the lessons of our forebears remain as relevant as ever. When you expose your body to cold temperatures, whether through a brisk morning shower or a dip in icy water, it triggers a cascade of physiological responses. At first glance, it seems brutal, a test of endurance, but beneath the surface lies a symphony of biological activity. Blood vessels constrict, redirecting blood flow to vital organs and increasing circulation efficiency. This process not only strengthens cardiovascular health but also primes the body to handle stress better. Over time, those who regularly embrace the chill develop thicker skin, not metaphorically, but literally. Their capillaries become more resilient, and their tolerance to extreme conditions skyrockets. But the benefits go beyond physical toughness. When faced with cold, the brain releases norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter responsible for focus, alertness, and mood regulation. Ever wondered why some people seem to thrive under pressure while others crumble? It's no coincidence that many high achievers incorporate cold therapy into their routines. By teaching the nervous system to stay calm during seemingly insurmountable challenges, they build mental fortitude that translates into every aspect of life. And so begins the journey of understanding how something as simple as enduring the cold can reshape both body and mind. As you step into a cold stream or feel the shock of ice-cold water against your skin, your body doesn't just react, it adapts. Every shiver, every goosebump, is part of a finely tuned survival mechanism honed over millennia. When exposed to low temperatures, your metabolic rate increases dramatically. Your heart pumps faster, muscles contract involuntarily, and brown fat, the good kind, activates to generate heat. Brown fat burns calories efficiently, which is why studies suggest that regular cold exposure may aid in weight management and improve overall metabolism. Yet, the magic doesn't stop there. One of the most profound effects of cold training is its impact on the immune system. Research shows that individuals who practice cold immersion tend to produce higher levels of white blood cells and antioxidants. These microscopic defenders patrol the body, neutralizing harmful pathogens and reducing inflammation. In essence, each plunge into cold water acts as a mini workout for your immune system, preparing it to fend off illnesses more effectively. Even chronic conditions such as arthritis and fibromyalgia have been shown to respond positively to controlled cold exposure. The constriction and subsequent dilation of blood vessels help flush out toxins and reduce swelling, offering relief to those burdened by pain. Moreover, the discipline required to face the cold fosters a unique sense of empowerment. Each session becomes a reminder that discomfort is temporary, but the rewards are lasting. As days turn into weeks and weeks into months, practitioners notice subtle shifts, an extra spring in their step, a newfound ability to shrug off minor ailments, and a quiet confidence born from facing adversity head-on. While the physical benefits of cold exposure are undeniable, its psychological impact is equally transformative. Picture this, standing at the edge of a frozen lake, toes curling against the biting frost, knowing that the next few moments will push you beyond your limits. For many, the mere thought induces panic. Yet, once submerged, something incredible happens. Time slows down. Panic gives way to presence. And suddenly, the chaos of daily life feels distant, almost trivial. This phenomenon occurs because cold exposure forces the brain to prioritize survival above all else. In doing so, it silences the incessant chatter of worries, fears, and doubts. Studies indicate that cold therapy activates the vagus nerve, which plays a crucial role in regulating emotions and stress responses. Regular practitioners often report reduced anxiety, improved emotional resilience, and heightened self-awareness. Beyond the immediate neurological effects, cold exposure cultivates grit, a quality increasingly rare in a world obsessed with instant gratification. Learning to endure discomfort teaches patience, perseverance, and the art of delayed gratification. It rewires the brain to view obstacles not as threats but as opportunities for growth. Consider Wim Hof, the legendary Iceman, who has demonstrated extraordinary feats using his eponymous breathing techniques combined with cold immersion. His story serves as a testament to human potential, proving that the boundaries we perceive are often self-imposed. By integrating cold exposure into your routine, you begin to rewrite your internal narrative. You start seeing challenges not as insurmountable barriers, but as stepping stones toward greatness. Whether it's tackling a daunting project at work or navigating personal hardships, the lessons learned in the cold carry over into every facet of life. So, how does one embark on this icy odyssey? Start small. Begin with short bursts of cold at the end of your usual shower. Gradually increase the duration as your body acclimates. Alternatively, explore outdoor activities like swimming in natural bodies of water during colder seasons. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. Even brief exposures, done regularly, yield remarkable results. However, balance is key. While cold exposure offers numerous benefits, it's essential to listen to your body and avoid overdoing it. Consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying medical conditions, especially cardiovascular issues. Pairing cold therapy with other healthy habits, such as proper nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness practices, amplifies its effects. Over time, you'll notice changes not only in your physique but also in your outlook on life. Tasks that once seemed daunting will appear manageable. Stressful situations will lose their grip on you. And perhaps most importantly, you'll develop a profound appreciation for the strength within yourself. In a world that constantly seeks comfort, choosing to embrace discomfort sets you apart. It transforms you into someone capable of thriving amidst uncertainty, someone who understands that true growth lies outside the confines of ease. So, take the plunge, literally and figuratively. Discover the hidden power of cold exposure and watch as it reshapes your body, sharpens your mind, and elevates your spirit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join a community dedicated to unlocking the secrets of human potential.